Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best women tennis rackets that are available on the market for their true quality.
My personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Senston Adult Tennis Racket Prestrung Tennis Racket. The first racket that met our desires is this piece by Senston. It has a right length, 27 inches, which makes it okay for young and mature players. Moreover, it is well balanced to reduce fatigue, discomfort, and aches. The accessory moves swiftly and efficiently with minimal drag, and this is due to the advanced aluminum integration molding technology. This enables a player to make hard, fast hits, stop the ball smoothly, chop or slice a ball. And with an unstrung weight of 260 to 280 grams, handling the racket for an extended period shouldn't be problematic. The handle has a firm grip, which also seems to do a better job when it comes to sweat absorption. The length also feels perfect, whereas the excellent ergonomics keep the hands and fingers comfortable and safe. Key advantages of this racket include high-quality design, good weight and length, gentle control and powerful performance. Moving on at number 4, we have the Head Speed Kids Tennis Racket. The next piece that caught our eye is the Speed Junior Racket. And as you can see, it targets youngsters, which made it a good chalice for my daughter. She also seemed to like the beautiful smooth finish and color of the racket. The strung racket is relatively light compared to most units in its category. This improves performance and handling. However, it also feels solid, and hitting the ball hard or stopping a fast approaching ball should not be a problem. The handle has an excellent length to fit well in the palm and is very comfortable, thanks to the smooth non-slip warp on the handle. Key reasons why we rate it among the best women tennis racket include solid and durable, comfortable grip and lightweight, versatile design to suit different settings. At number 3, we have the Wilson Adult Recreational Tennis Rackets. With the Wilson Tour Slam Light Racket, learning the game of tennis or even improving it should not be an issue. The unit delivers good striking and stopping power via its 110-inch head. It is somewhat larger than some of its alternatives and thus gives you an advantage over another player. Moreover, it is moderately light, meaning that it is easier to control the movements. The last thing you want is dealing with aches and trendiness. Thanks to the length of 27.25 inches, you get better reach. In contrast, the 4 3/8-inch grip size minimizes the possibility of it slipping from your hands. And with a strung weight 11.5 ounces, 326 grams, using it for a long session isn't a problem. Its key positives are right length and weight, excellent firm grip, durable and reliable. At number 2, we have the Head Ti.S5 CZ Tennis Racket. The Head brand is famous when it comes to tennis rackets and related accessories. The Ti.S5 Comfort Zone rackets are one of the notable pieces from the company. It is pre-strung for easy use after purchase and feels okay in the hands of both seasoned and inexperienced players. The 8.2-ounce weight suits many women players, whereas the comfortable handle offers a firm grip. Additionally, the 27.75-inch length works well with the 107-inch head size to deliver good performance. It is made of durable graphite titanium material and will tolerate impact, knocks, strain, stress, and the elements too. Many consumers say that it does not lose its colorful nature easily and should last for an extended period if taken good care of. Its main positives include proper weight distribution, lightweight, easy to maintain, elegant and top quality. And finally, at number 1, we have the Wilson Adult Recreational Tennis Rackets. This green tennis racket from Wilson is ideal for women tennis players. You will see beginners or advanced players using it in many situations. Thanks to the good weight and length, you will be able to improve your game while keeping fatigue and discomfort at bay. It is made of lightweight aluminum, and this contributes to its lightweight and compactness.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.